I'm Dr. Holly Gregory. I'm a periodontist and I'm in Houston, Texas. A periodontist is somebody who takes care of all of the tissue that surrounds your teeth. So the gum that surrounds the tooth, as well as the bone and the jaws, the tissues in your mouth, including your tongue and your cheeks and your throat, yearly exams for oral cancer, and management of anything from bacterial to fungal to viral infections and replacement of missing teeth, recontouring of gum tissue for reasons that can be aesthetic or they can be functional. So periodontists make your mouth healthier. Your condition is unique, and we look forward to understanding your needs and helping you to be healthier today. So give us a call.